Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making my family's favorite side dish dessert for the holidays. My dad is going to be 96 years old and he still loves this at every holiday. So sit back and enjoy one of my family's favorites, fruit salad. So here you guys, I'm whipping up the whipping cream. You want to make sure you whip it until the peaks are real fluffy. And you want to add your vanilla extract to taste along with sugar. Now, I don't have an exact measurement on this at all. I've been making this for years. I just pour it into taste and I just add the sugar to taste. And it is 2 cartons of medium whipping cream. And remember, do not over whip this, otherwise you'll end up with butter. And now I'm going to add my bananas. Make sure they're ripe, and you can add as many bananas as you would like. And as you guys see, I'm only adding 4 bananas. I usually like to add about 5 or 6, but whatever you choose is totally fine. And now I'm going to add my fruit cocktail. And we usually add 1 big can and 1 smaller can. Today we just bought 2 smaller cans, and that's quite all right also. Make sure you drain all the syrup out of there, otherwise you're going to have soupy fruit salad. Okay, now it's time for the marshmallows. I get the regular size bag and I get the minis. Now you're adding your marshmallows to taste, but you want them to kind of soak up a lot of the heavy whipping cream. So I use over a half a bag, and sometimes after I stir it up, I kind of add a little bit more. You do as you like. It's to your taste and to your family's taste, but kind of taste it along the way because you want to make sure it's turning out correctly. And now that we're all done making the fruit salad, we can cover it with saran wrap, put it in the fridge until the next day, and it will be ready for your next big dinner. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like. Until next time, ta-ta for now, you guys. I will see you later.